Yo, what's up? What's up? I get this thing working here. All right, we're good. We're good. We're live. We're live. All right, it's Friday. Just gonna chop it up, power hour a little bit. Got Quant Tower up, and I got Apex on the left. I have of course, this Bullnox on the right with a bot. I got TOPSTEP in here as well. This right here has this bot has four accounts set up with it. So I'm on a 20-second time frame on the right, and a 1 minute on the left. So then chop zone right now. Just hanging out. Probably gonna throw up TRADOVATE too. See everything work with this. Yeah. All right, I'm just gonna hang out from now till about the close. I'm gonna throw TRADOVATE up as well, and I'll be chit-chatting as I take some trades. I'm not gonna do any wild trades. Maybe I will. I don't know. I'll have to handle. We'll see.
NQ sell. Seller sweep NQ.
That's it, guys. I'll talk to you in a little bit. Anybody pops in, try and say hello. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-dum, ba-dum-bum-bum. What do we got here? Okay, let's look at the micros here. That's looking like it's really tight right now. This is going to burst one way or the other. That's one thing I can tell you. Or maybe it stays flat for the rest of the day. I mean, we had some nice movement. Go to change this. As I'm going to change it, looks like we're getting some movement. Bookmap's coming down. Let's see where we're going down to. I've got 5 minutes on the left. I'm looking at my trading view. How you guys doing? Did everybody make any trades today? Did you get some wins, get some losses? I'm in the green. I did blow one eval though, unfortunately. Not happy about that. Yeah, not happy about that. Keep it like that. But right now I'm just looking to see if there's any opportunities at the end of the day. We got options expiry. So we had some crazy movement today. Everyone, the daily high, I'm gonna bring up a chart right now. I'll stick with a 15-minute. Just give me a second, guys. Don't mind. It's got a couple lines on here, but I think you can survive the eyesore. So this is what I'm looking at. I'll try it up so I can. So you see this New York top and London top. We topped out at about the same level for New York's overnight session. And then New York topped out there as well, and it just broke down. This resistance of 15,875, I'd say. Really just, if you go by the candle body, 15,878, which I have as a range right here. See this? I have a liquidity range, my little purple line in there. I don't know if you can see that. As a zone to pay attention. And back to the levels. So this is the 12 candle Stacy Burke system right here. So you got 12 15-minute candles. So we tapped a high of 1920, and then we tapped it again on the open really quick, swept down, grabbed this liquidity from Thursday, I would say. It tapped in Thursday's liquidity. There was some more stuff to grab. Pop back up, and everyone was expecting it to hit 15,920. But we winded up, obviously it always goes, I call it the 20-point rule. So everyone's expecting today, you know, we're in a New York session. We're doing our 15-minute chop fest from like 9:30 to what is 11:15. You know, so London closes at this time, 11:30. This is the value area, okay, on the daily session, okay, and the overnight session, so this red line. chops around the value area by what, a 50-point range. What is this here? So let's just say 1875 to 1830, 40 points. Then when London closes, we get a move up to the daily open, which I have. This is the correct daily? Yeah, because I have 2 daily opens. My daily open's a little off. It's really right here. But this yellow line right here is a daily open. So that's at 6 p.m. last night. So, you know, New York started off going down. We chopped around the prior daily open right here. And then we popped up, hit resistance on the daily open. Then we finally broke through it, and we tapped this level here. See this wick? All right. Everyone may have thought that was going to be it. So it tapped, oh, okay, 15,920. A lot of people went short here. It went down, grabbed liquidity on a daily open, and claimed this as support, and then popped back up over here. We had a tweeze at the top almost at 15,930. It went up an extra 10 points. This grabbed all that liquidity, you know, hunt those stop losses and come back down. Now we're in a slow grind down. And that's on a 15-minute chart. Just gonna zoom it out to the hour chart. I'm gonna keep this circle here as a notable area. Bookmap's flat right now. I got bookmap on another screen. I think we're just gonna chop around until power hour, but I may take some micro scalps, just practice a little bit. So I'm gonna put my quant hour back up and check the chat. I don't have the chat where I can see it every 2 seconds. All right, nobody's even in here. Okay. Now, I'm gonna start doing live streams next week during the day. Like, you know, London session, New York session for about 2 hours. Because I find that this time, everybody, it's Friday. Who the fuck wants to be trading right now? But it was hard for me to trade and make content. So I was like, all right, let me just go on live and just document this. If anything, is a journal for myself. So what I'm going to do is focus more on trading right now. I'm going to lower time frame. I'm going to 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to look at choppiness. Let's look at some other assets while I'm here. And if anybody is watching, I have Quantai right here behind to make a trade. I'm just doing some analysis right here because the market's flat. I think we'll get some movement. Definitely 330, which is in about 13 minutes. So let's look at Bitcoin. Just for shits and giggles. That's not a bad move. It's a 1 minute chart. I mean, listen, if you're scalping Bitcoin from noon till now, it's got with 10x leverage. Look at this. Get a vector candle, tap the high, do a little short here, chops around. It's 0.5%. That'd be 5%. If you rode it all the way down, you know, in a perfect world, that's 0.89%. So times 10x leverage, that's 8%. If you do 100x leverage, that's 80%. So I know a lot of guys do YOLO crypto trading. I'll be doing videos on that and the indicators that I'm using. Bookmap's popping up a little bit right now. Let's go back to that. I think it's going to drive up one more time. Let me see this. The ATR is the red line here. It's about 11 points a candle. So if you're trading, be careful on the 5 minute. You know, set your stop loss accordingly. If it's 12 points of movement per candle, you know, you set a 3-point stop loss, you're gonna get wrecked. So 1 minute. Let's see what the and don't mind this indicator here. This is a pretty popular indicator. It's been around for a while. Market Cipher, Market Liberator. Sometimes it's helpful with the oscillation. But anyway, I'm really looking at the ATR right now. So the ATR is the red box right here, the red line, excuse me. So 5 points for each 1 minute candle, give or take. 5 points, yeah, 5.5 points. And it's flat. Apex and Bullinox have a 90% sale. Anybody that's wanting to reload on some stuff. Am I even live streaming? I have no idea. It says I'm live. I think. I'm gonna look on YouTube, like on another device. Alright guys, I'm just gonna trade. I'm not gonna talk much. Looking at stuff right now. I'm making live and streaming. How about that? Yeah, we're it. Catch me outside. Alright, so we got a PA account here. I don't know if I want to trade that on that. Nope, not gonna touch that one. I'm up on that one today. This is coiling up right here for a move. Ba-da-ba-ba. It's coiling up for a move. I also have TRADOVATE if anybody's messing around with TRADOVATE. I was down yesterday in this count. I'm up 315. My other one, let's see, this one here. I made 41 bucks, but I'm up for the week pretty well. 1500. Let's see. Trying to get the one that's slacking up a little bit. Market's flat right now. Market's flat. Like pancake flat.
One day I went on the computer, www.
Yo, 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 anybody there?
I went on the computer, www.
Yo, 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 anybody there?
I went on the computer, www.
Oh, got a paradox right there. How do I do this? Shut this off. Yeah, like that. Alright. Got planes flying around. Volatility's dropping. Alright, so this one on my right hand side, I have 4 accounts connected to that. And this one's my left. It's my Apex and a 50k in there. Let me see what I think this is gonna do.
Stop and Q buy. Buy or sweep and Q.
Oh,
Stop
popping
and
up a
Q
little
buy.
bit. I fade it. Should I fade it? Let's fib it. Put some fibs on here. Fib it up. Oh, why not? Bang. Still a short. Oh, it's only MNQ. No dramatic effect on that. What's there? I'm gonna come up here. Just dead this one. What the fuck is what's the dollar doing? Dollar flat because it's the end of the day. It's dropping a little bit. Okay, dollar's dropping down. Oil ran up almost 4% today. Wow, wow. So I'm just looking at NQ and dollar right now just to see the correlation. I'm not even looking at ES. I'll throw the QQ. I'm gonna throw the SPX up over here. Everything else is kind of flat. NQ is gonna move decent amount, probably like 5-10 points at least. Maybe be able to get some scalps. Based on what else is going on in the market. Alright, dollar's going down a little bit. And NASDAQ looks like it has a little room to go up. May reclaim, well, not reclaim, may tap the highs again. Into a fib.
Buyer sweep NQ. Buyer sweep ES. Stop ES buy.
Alright, so where to put my dang fib? I'm actually gonna go because I'm short bias right now. So drop there. Having a 618. Oh, that was not the right move.
Buyer sweep ES. Absorption buyers ES. Stop ES.
Talk
buy.
about slippage.
Whoa.
Okay.
Stop NQ buy.
That's why you use brackets. I have no bracket on this. It's a new 50K account. It's a fresh one. Let's see. Fuck it. YOLO. YOLO. Let's go. Fucking drop. Die. Die. Yeah, it's not dying. It's going the wrong way. Yeah, maybe I go up to this fib. I'm logged out from the Quantower account. Whoa, how am I logged out? What? That's amazing, let me tell you. Let me tell you. How the hell? They won't even let me log in. What are the chances? I'll be right back, guys. I've never had that happen to me before. God forbid I was in a PA account or something like that. Quantower, you gotta do better. Quantower, you gotta do better, Quantower. You can't be having that happen. That could wreck someone's account, man. Seriously. Fuck is that?
Stop ES.
I'm professional garbage. Just log me out in the middle of what?
Iceberg NQ sell. Stop NQ sell.
Fuck it, I'm just gonna short one account. I'm not doing a copy trade. You know? I'm just not too trustworthy of this right now, though, to be honest. I'm trying to log back into the other one. I mean, I'm trying to log back into Quantower right now. Let's see. Wish me luck. I have to just close this out. I can't even focus. I don't know why I just entered the position, but hey, you know, listen, I'm showing you the human aspect of trading. I got pissed off. I entered a trade. It's an evaluation account, and it's not that big of an account. It's the end of the day. I think it's going to go down. We have a 30-minute candle closing. How much conviction do I have in this? Not that much. Enough to put a stop loss here, take a small hit. But I would love for it to just die and pass the eval in one trade. Alright, come on, go down. Alright, I'll take that. That's fine.
Stop NQ sell.
There you go. That's great. Alright, just made, I don't know what I just made. Tell anything. Oh, whoa, okay, there you go. That'll do it. Fuck. Can't be in, yay. I'm complaining as I'm making profit. Shit.
Buyer sweep and
Just
Q.
made a quick 385. The market's gonna be nuts right now. I'm going to MNQs. I am not trading full size on this, and I don't know if I should touch. What do you call it? If I should even touch my PA accounts. Probably not the best idea. 330. That's a 330 candle close. Crypto's flying around too right now. What is my password? Fuck. Look at that. What a nice 15-point move. Yeah. So it tapped into, guys, nobody's even here, but if somebody was, I'm going to act like I'm talking to a crowd. The expected high to everyone was expecting, most traders, was 15,920, because that was the previous high of day from today's session and overnight session as well, London and New York. So it tapped that earlier, okay? Came up, consolidated a little bit. Actually came up here, tapped it right here. Came down, swooped down, and came back up. And broke it by 20 points. Now, it just came back up. Tapped a little bit past it. And now it's chopping around at this level here. See right here, where my mouse is, with the big arrow? 15,905. I'm gonna try to log back into Quantas and copy trade. It's fucked up how it logged me out, man. I don't even know what my damn password is. Fucked up. Thanks. Thanks for giving me what I paid for. Assholes. Sorry, I'm just annoyed that that happened, because God forbid I was in a PA account. God forbid I was in a PA account. Seriously?
Iceberg ES5.
Alright, we're dumping. It's 3:30. Where's the dude? I'm gonna have this guy. He's pretty good. Josh Answers. Stock Market Live. Check him out. He's good to listen to, like the macro.
I read it as Sam Bankman.
Keep him on the background.
Sam, what? I said, why?
What is this?
That's crazy. That's a little bit of news there.
Testing, 1, 2. Alright, we're dropping.
Fucking scary.
We're dropping.
AI replaced his job too.
Oof. Oof. Oof, what a sell-off. Kind of annoyed that I didn't trade my PA account, but you know what? Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. That's it. You just got to keep telling yourself that. Trying YOLO a little bit. Whoa, this is just absolutely dumping. What's happening? What's going on? Seems like we have liquidity down at 15,880. 885, 15,885. Anybody looking to do a quick scalp long? I'm not recommending, I'm not doing a trade call, I'm just saying there's some liquidity there. Could blow right through it. Let's see. VWAP's at 15,879. Right around here. Let's see if I can draw it. So VWAP's right around here. Alright, these fibs got crushed. So I'm gonna get rid of them. Microsoft's dying. Okay, that's why I listen to him. He's great to listen to. He doesn't do live trading, but he just does macro callouts. Wow. There you go. Some more news. There's a news flush. It's an excuse for the market to dump at the end of the day. I mean, wow, we just got 50 points. I only caught a little bit of that, but hey, not gonna complain. Actually, I made 227. My bad. I thought I made more than that. Damn. That's a pretty serious. I'm not sure what I'm looking at.
Iceberg and Q buy. Absorption sellers and Q.
There's a 5-minute on the right and 1 minute on the left. So it's got some fair value gaps that make scoop up. Bounce off the VWAP.
Stop ES by.
I don't know, I had 2 contracts on. Oops. Alright, risk management. Gotta be, what's the word? Discipline. Let's go. Fucking go up. Get up. See, Quant Tower, it's a little janky sometimes, but. Alright. So I'm gonna trade long, 2 contracts with NQ from where the VWAP was. I'm gonna give myself a little bit more credit. And either, let's see where we're at here. This is the 15-second chart on the right. It's the what do you call it? The MNQ though. So let's just go to the 15-second on the NQ, and we're driving up. This was the VWAP over here. Where did I put the VWAP? I had the. It's on the other chart. So VWAP is 15,880-ish. That's what VWAP was. So it kind of did bounce off that. Right around here, that's what VWAP was. Should we give me that? Why won't it? Hey.
Seller sweep ES.
Oh, what the? What a mess. Alright, that's what you don't do. Wait, I made profit doing that. I made about $100. That's for 3 full-size contracts, though. That's like hyper scalping right there. I messed up on my execution, though. I did not want to do that. I wanted to, yeah, it's fucking dump, right? If you hear the guy in the background, that's Josh Answers. Josh Answers, that's his rap name. The Stock Market Live, it has about 200,000 subscribers. He does like macro, so like whatever news is happening, I just don't want in the background. It's his YouTube channel.
Think about all of that, bro.
So I just throw it in the background and just trade, you know, and watch my charts. What a fucking dump. Yeah, man, that grabbed a lot of liquidity. So let's look at another chart here for a second.
Iceberg NQ buy.
Yeah, book maps is slowly grinding up now. Let's see what else I could show you guys. Anything that could help. This will help you. Watch this. Don't mind the clutterness. I'm gonna get rid of. Well, let's see. This one has a 2. No, I don't have it there. So.
Seller sweep ES. Absorption sellers ES.
I'm gonna go to a 3-minute. Will that give me enough room? Yeah, I want to see the levels. Alright, so no minus indicator here. Looking at the ATR, so it shows the volatility per candle. Obviously, you got 11 points for every 3 minutes. That's crazy. So this red vector candle, it's a high volume candle, definitely big funds, a lot of money pushing these candles down. Regular gray and white candles, that's just average retail trading, you know, low volume. These boxes here, 251%, the higher the percentage, the higher the chance it gets filled. This is a great indicator, a company that I'm working with called TOPSTEP. You know, this stuff you could just draw on the charts, but this makes it a lot easier just to have it all pop up for you automatically, okay? The people out there that are going to say, oh, indicators, blah, blah, blah. Shut the fuck up. How about that? Don't use indicators then. So I use this, you know, I can take it off. I'll show you the difference. So instead of going like on some other traders, you know, if you want to save time and not have to look at, okay, there's the 50% retrace of this red candle would be right here. You know, and you could draw a box right here. Like if it taps that, I'm going to take a short down, etc. Blah, blah, blah. All that bullshit. Which is good. It's not bullshit. I'm just hyper right now. I'm hyper. I like 19 Red Bulls. You're gonna go like this, turn on that indicator, and it gives you the flush down, the value that needs to be reclaimed. Now, give or take, I combine that with my what's these white dotted lines. This is my volume profile. So that's my value area high, value area low. I have it on conservative adjustments, and this is my point of control. And that's really it, not magical on this chart. The other thing would be this, the future sessions. This is great. Sorry about that door. Fucking windy over here where I am. So you can't see because I got the volume profile. I'm going to take this off. So you got Tokyo, that's the 15-minute candles. That's 12 15-minute candles per session. Flushing down again. Could be in a trade, but I'm not. It's all right. This is the London low. So 15,875. See this yellow lines right here? Let me lower that too, because that's probably noisy. Oh, I'm in a trade right now. What am I? Shit, hold on a second. What am I in a trade for? Oh. It's delayed, man. Why so delayed? I don't trust the execution of Quantile right now. Is that too many things going on my computer? Or is like what's going on? I have 2 sets of TRADOVATE up. I have about 2 sets. I have a fast computer too. Huh? Anyway, what was I talking about now? Confused. Ay. Alright, so anyway, this is Apex on the left. I have Bullinox TOPSTEP accounts here on the right. And my quant tower logged me out in the middle of all this, which was a little sketchy, to be honest. That's why I'm not taking copy trades right now. There's an earthquake, what? Anybody want to watch that dude? Stock Market Live. I can pull him up in a sec. All right. So what I was trying to say, I remember now. This is the London session, New York session. This is the Tokyo session. So Tokyo session. These are 15-minute candles. There's 12 of them per session right here. It's the, let me see, the open 2 a.m. would be until 5, 2 to 5, so 3 hours. The first 3 hours is 12 15-minute candles. It establishes a range. And then it will respect, I mean, usually Tokyo, London, New York, their range expands, as you can see right here. But if you notice, if you trade this, these levels, it tapped this twice as the high support, resistance, excuse me. And then for support, New York came down. It had zero respect for the low of London. But when it was coming up, it did respect London's low. It was when it was stuck in this block of range from about 9:30 a.m. to about 11, it was really struggling to get above this low in the London session. But once it finally did at about 11:45, when funny enough, when London closed, is when we had some, it moved up, hit the daily open. Daily open I have based on the overnight session open, so that would be right here. I think it was right here, Tokyo, what do I have? Oh yeah, right here, okay. So that's Thursday at 1800 hours, okay, which would be 6 p.m. Eastern time. So if you use these 3 levels alone, these 3 zones alone, excuse me, and like the daily open from yesterday and daily open from today, you can get some decent idea of where we're at. So now we're at a high. With the high though, if you look to the left, seems to match up with, look, the Tokyo session. Ironically enough, it's creepy, this shit, the way it works. But you'll always find one of these levels will correlate. Now look at this low, and look how it matches with a daily open today. So you start coming to your own thesis and conclusions. Everyone does technical analysis differently. It has all these different names, fancy smancy names, which I don't believe in any of that. Price action is price action. I use indicators for levels to gain a little bit of an edge. Right now it's about 3:43 Eastern time. The market's closing in 17 minutes, 16 minutes. And I think I'm just going to get off the whole trading view thing and just look at the charts. Trading charts, excuse me. Let's see what we can get. What can I scalp? It's like trying to squeeze water out of a rock right now. Can I squeeze any water out of a rock? Should I just flip over to crypto and just start trading crypto? Where is everybody? Hello? Where is everybody? Should I trade crypto or should I trade futures? Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin NQ. I only got about 10 minutes to trade. Actually, an hour and change. I'm hot. Hold on. Be back in a sec. Anybody making money? Anybody still trading? Hello, hello, hello. Nasdaq's messing with this bottom right here. The support, excuse me, it's not a bottom. I made 353 in that new Apex count. Well, alright, don't mind that noise, sorry about that. Alright, let's see.
Stop ESL.
I don't know.
I'm back. It looks like he wants to go. I don't know where it looks like he wants to go.
XAI got really. I don't do.
Wait, look at this guy.
I don't know. This shit's weird.
Anyway, so I think it was an earthquake or something. Let's see. Is there an earthquake? Trending. Let's see. That is a bird. I have wildlife near me. Do we have any birds? Do we get any earthquakes? Is there really an earthquake or is this guy tripping? Alright, you know what? Fucking distracted me. Sam Altman, something happened with him and OpenAI. Some change was made. I don't trade the news, but I stay aware of it. So let's go to charts. Alright, NQ's, there's a flag, look. Bang, bang. Look at this. Bang, bang, bang. Quantower. I'm using Quantower, TRADOVATE, TradingView. Look. Gets to be a little much. I will tell you that. But anyway.
Iceberg ESL.
Book map. Forgot about that. Honestly, the crypto days were much easier. You just trade on Phemex or Bybit. Now I'm copy trading like 9 different prop firms. Got all different rules in each one. It's like, I know other people can feel my pain. You know, just make 50 a day across 20 accounts. Yeah, okay, you can do it, but can you keep track of everything properly? You know, it's a business. You gotta treat it like that. This is fuck the minis. Let's go to micro. Let's go to. I mean, fuck the micro. Let's go to minis. This is an evaluation, just so you guys know. I'm going to be doing streams next week, and Apex and Bullinox have 90% off right now. The prop firms, Apex and Bullinox have 90% off. Again, Apex and Bullinox have 90% off. They're worth it. If you got a few, pick them up. Maybe not today. Maybe wait till Sunday when you can trade. You know, but the sale's ongoing for 2 weeks, and we're flushing down. TOPSTEP still has their $49 for a $50,000 account. Anyway, that's my shill. So it's about 12 minutes left. It's gonna get wild right now. It's gonna get wild.
I don't know.
Stop NQ cell.
I have him on the background. It's Stock Market Live.
You don't just fire the face of ChatGPT.
Oh, okay, yeah, the face ChatGPT got fired. That's why it's dumping. Apparently, well, that's not why. That's a news-related story, which I think are just excuses for the market to move. Anyway, but World Token. Oh, is World Token dumping? Yeah, it did. Look at this. And I know it's crypto, but guys, check this out. Bang, bang. Look at this dump. Watch this ass. If you're just trading crypto, even with no leverage, just drop 6-7% in about 4 minutes. Yeah, done. Look at that, bang. Whew. Amazing. I'm gonna keep my eye on that one today. A little later. So stick the hours right now. Oh yeah, took a shit. Took a shit. But it's gonna come hit this level and everyone's gonna go crazy and I'm like, oh my god, it's right, boom. There's level support right there. Right there. And maybe catch this value down here. What's Bitcoin doing? Alright, you know what? Let me focus, Sorry, I get distracted. Not taking any trades because this is not the best environment, obviously. The last 10 minutes, it's like, literally, it's like gambling. You know, it's just, they balance their books. It's today's option expiry as well. And I'll be honest, I'm not experienced enough to know how exactly they apply to when you're trading at what time of the day. I do know it gives it more volatility. In the last 5 minutes, the ATR on a 1 minute candle for the NASDAQ just went from 4 points to 7 points. So just trade carefully. Get your trades in now or forever hold your trades till Sunday.
Buyer sweep ES.
You hear that? You hear that crazy noise? That's Bookmap. That's Think with Bookmap. He has a YouTube channel, but I'm in his Discord. Anybody can go to his channel. If you want the link, let me know. I'll throw it in the chat in a little bit. Think with Bookmap. Think with Bookmap. I'll give you a peek. This is live Discord. It's free, guys. You get Bookmap, free. Alright? A little bit of an edge, because you can see the liquidity zones. You can see what the volume is. These could be spoofed, though, so don't always rely on that. Alrighty, and there's some other stuff going on like CVD and whatnot down here, but I just pay attention to some of the levels and the action. Alright, okay, let's do a, you know, I don't just want to do a trade for the sake of the stream.
Absorption buyers ES.
15 seconds, 1 minute. I'm doing more live streams next week, guys. I'm gonna have just probably one chart up, you know, something like this, and I'm gonna do all my analysis on my other screens because I don't want to confuse you guys. All right. So, yeah, just giving you a heads up on that. This fib here. Look at this. Old already. Let's just do.
Seller sweep NQ.
Got 8 minutes left. I do a fib across the whole chart. Just go from the morning. Now go swing low, swing high. So we're at the 50% zone. Just chop it around. Probably gonna chop around here, then I'll spike down and up in the last 5 minutes. That would have been a nice scalp, honestly. It was consolidating here at like 15,880. It just popped up like seven points. You guys in any trades or just watching? Anybody in a trade? Anybody in a trade? I gotta keep my eyes out in crypto now. I was gonna shut it down and relax, but and I noticed one thing at the market close, stock market close, crypto like 20 minutes later will have a move, and then it'll wait. Australia they kick in, even though they're closed. I think, yeah, I think it's Saturday there. You get the close of the daily candle, but it's Friday night. It's not as active, but you'll get some action. And then tomorrow there's actually a little more action on crypto. I'm watching WorldCoin just because of the news behind it. AVAX, Sol, ETH, and Bitcoin. And a little bit of XRP just because of liquidity when you're trading. But I'm not fully back into that yet. Alright, so NASDAQ. Here we go. The insanity begins. I shouldn't have just did that. Totally didn't mean to do that. Honestly, I swear to God. I'm in 4 trades right now. Look. Oh my god. Fuck. No. What am I in here? A full-size contract too. Fuck. I forgot to close my windows. Oh yeah, yay. I'm gonna have to. I don't want to get murdered on this. Oh yeah, yay. I'm in profit on all these counts. I do not like the fact that. Damn it. Yeah, well, now I'm gonna break even on 2 of them. Damn it. Actually, no, it's only 1 count. Alright, go down, go down, go down. No, it's doing this smelt up shit. Oh boy. I have 1 NQ contract across 4 accounts, and I'm in one, as you can see, 170. Bad move. I'm gonna have to flatten this. I'm still there, guys.
Ice for BS cell.
I would say I'm melting up at the end of the day. I'm in a bad position. I thought I was doing micros, honestly, and I went to regular size contract, so I'm on $50,000 accounts. Looks like I'm gonna have to break even on some of these then now. Ay. Let's go. Do a flush down would be nice, right? All I need is 10 points, 12 points to break even. Not gonna add to a loser. Not gonna add to a loser. Alright, let's go. Where are we going? 2 minutes left. Thank God I'm up profit on my funded accounts. Most of my accounts. Just, these are 4 trades, accounts I'm copy trading, and I'm up like 300 to 400 profit in them, but now I'm gonna only go up like 100. Yeah.
Ice for BS cell. Absorption sellers ES.
Yeah. Maybe it'll come down a little bit for me. He's funny, man. Oh, God. Let's go. Just crush out like 100 points. Go. I'm sitting here praying and hoping. Go, 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 go down, go down. Go down. 50 points. Let's go. Just 50 points. That's all I need. Come on. You know, it's like the mental fortitude. Just take the loss. 145 and hold out. Maybe get a little more. I didn't answer the loser, though. I didn't answer a loser. So let's tap in this level. Break the level. Hit this one. Hit this one. Oh, no, it's doing this drop shit. Oh, it's the last minute this one. Alright, guys.
Absorptions, fires and Q. Fire sweep and Q. Boom hit the damn likes button. Boom hit the damn likes button. Iceberg ES buy. Absorption sellers ES. Boom hit the damn likes button.
How it works. It's good game, baby.
Yo, yo, yo. Still here, guys. Anybody here? I'm in this copy trade. I don't know if I should close it out or if it's going to come back down now. Let's see. The market's closed. Futures market's still open. I'll take the small 5-point loss on NQ. Ready to take it. Try to take it. Flatten. There's a 1 minute chart on the left, and this is 15-second on the right. I don't see it moving much more. It's not like it's any earnings right today. Not too sure about that. I don't think there is on a Friday. Aye.
Right. Everyone, that's the close. We got 1 hour left, or actually 58 minutes left to settle. Let's see. Y'all have a good weekend. If you're still in the trade, you got 58 minutes left.
58 minutes left. Yeah, Bookmap. That's the guy over there. I think for Bookmap. A good channel.
Back Sunday live.
May just close this out. I didn't want to take the loss. And a loss on the other Bullinox count.
Iceberg ES sell.
I'm in this trade way too long, but listen, their valuation accounts, and out of 4 accounts, be up profit in 2 of them. Decent amount, by about $150, 200. I'll lose on 14, about $70, and I think 15, yeah. I'll just show you one of the accounts. It's hard to see my lowest profit and loss, my total profit and loss. It's one of my TOPSTEP accounts. And Bullinox accounts. There's 95, open total, etc. Open profit 100, negative, close profit 130, 10, so I'll break even. So, just to show you guys I'm not like making shit up. These birds. It's a raven. Is that a sign? A black raven's like, excuse me, sorry about that. Are black ravens like bad luck? Right? That means you're gonna die. That means my trade's gonna kill me. Alright, I wanna be watching crypto now that the market's closed, really. But I gotta take this L. See how hard it is, man? I'm showing you real life, it's hard to take an L. Sometimes it depends on who you are, I guess. For me, it's a business decision. But still, it's like it's Friday, you know? I want to keep my win streak.
Hey, it's raining money over here on the ES stream. Right. Thank you.
Oh, where'd my thing go? Normally I have, when I'm trading just quant hour, I'll have this chart adjusted, so this will be under the chart. Alright, I'm in profit. I'm gonna break even on one of my bonus counts. Fuck it, I'm closing these out. Can't get the thing over to you. There you go. As soon as I close out, it's gonna tank. Watch. Watch. Happy Friday, guys. Happy weekends. Have a safe weekend. Drive safe. Enjoy time with the family. Enjoy time in general. Take it easy. Relax if you need to relax. Go to the gym if you need to go to the gym. Get some air. Get off the charts. Trade crypto. Just if you're gonna trade crypto a little bit, but give yourself some time. Maybe you can only trade crypto on weekends because of your job and whatnot. But you know, balance is the key in life. So they say. I say go all in and focus. Look at this now. My trade's coming down. All right, talking some positive energy, and it's bringing my trade the right way. So seriously though, balance is key. Trade safe, be safe, make good choices. I'm back to my stream next week. I'll be doing some live streams during busy hours. I'll probably focus on one account at a time. Maybe copy trade that with another batch of 1 or 2 other accounts. All right, come down. 50 points. Let's go. See, now the problem is when you're trading in real life, it can come right down to where your entry is and you can break even. So essentially you never entered the trade. But because you're emotionally invested in the trade, sometimes you won't even close it because you want it to go in profit, and then you won't close it and it'll snap back up on you. And right now, I'm up 10 bucks. Look, I should be happy, right? I never entered the trade, and if I did, I made 10 bucks. But I'm not going to close it yet. Oh, okay. Option expires. See, this guy knows more than I do. He was the one that runs that bookmap thing. Bookmap. Think with bookmap. He's talking. Let's listen to what he has to say. So he said something about in 15 minutes the options expire. Okay, so I'm learning about this stuff, guys. I came from the crypto world, and now I'm doing futures, conventional equity futures, indices. I'm trading NASDAQ primarily. I'm doing some ES, some Dow, some gold and oil. I got slapped on oil today because it moved around. I gotta focus on one asset at a time. I will be trading live. I'm not doing like trend line, fucking courses like other YouTubers out there and putting. Well, I'm not gonna put on lipstick. I'm not gonna ban everyone and scream at people. I'm just gonna trade, hang out, talk. I don't know if that's cool, but that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I think I just gotta close this, right? Because this thing looks like it's gonna get a little nutty. Yeah, let's close it. Fuck it. Problem is, I keep getting this positions box. Oh my god, come on. I want to have that positions box up in range. See it. Look, I'm a little bit of profit. Hey. Yeah. You know what I'll do? Normally I wouldn't do this live. I'm not the fastest with the mouse. But decision, close all. Okay. All right. So I'm up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 evals, 6 evals. I'm up in 6 evals. I'm up in 2 funded accounts. I lost 1 eval today. The other accounts I think I have 1, 2 Bullinox. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 total Bullinox. Apex I have Apex, 1 funded, 2 funded, 3 evals, maybe 4. So what is that? 3 plus like 7, 10. TOPSTEP I have a funded, and I have a few evals. I got like 13 accounts. So I'm up on all the accounts I traded, except, no, actually I lost 1 Apex account. I totally YOLO'd the account. Bad trading. That account I didn't trade as an actual account. I made every mistake that you can make in that account. It was a TRADOVATE $50,000 account. I was trading for 6 days. Trading it normally, I was up like 1,700, no, 1,900 in profit, and I just YOLO'd it. It cost me like $12 or whatever, $15 to that account. So I tried to justify it by saying that to myself. But the other one I blew was my trade day. I blew my trade day, Val. I needed to get to 1,500 in profit in 10 days. I was at about 800 in profit. Then I made about 50, and I was just, you know, I YOLO'd it a little bit, and then I got in drawdown and I blew the account. So that's 2 evaluation accounts down. The rest of the accounts are fine. I got 3 ready to flip into funded. I'm gonna do those Monday, and then I have a few more I'm working on. So I'm just trying to get like 1 to 2 funded accounts a week. Now it's dumping. Look at this. All right, so I would have made a couple bucks, but let me lower this. I was just doing a recap of my day. All right, guys, I'm not gonna make another video recapping anything. Maybe I'll do like a crypto live stream over the week. And have a safe weekend, guys. Take care.